Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your investments with TD Ameritrade, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your investments with TD Ameritrade, start by gathering essential documents. Prepare your current brokerage account information. Make a list of the assets you wish to transfer. Log in to your TD Ameritrade account. Navigate to the Client Services section. Select the Transfer an Account option. Choose whether you are making a full or partial transfer. If transferring a partial account, specify the assets you want to transfer. Fill out the transfer request form accurately. Provide your current brokerage details, including the account number and name. Submit the completed transfer request form. Review the terms and conditions presented by TD Ameritrade. Confirm your transfer request by checking for confirmation emails. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your transfer. Reach out to TD Ameritrade customer support if you have any questions. Wait patiently as the transfer may take several days to complete. Check back regularly to confirm that the assets have been credited to your TD Ameritrade account. Once the transfer is complete, review your new account to ensure everything is in order. Consult the TD Ameritrade platform for any additional steps you may need to take after your transfer is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.